Now, let us see one example. You have given root 32 plus root 200 plus root 128. We will reduce them. 32 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 5 times. So, root 32 will be under root 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 5 times. Similarly, under root 200 can be written as root 2 into root 2 into 2 into 5 into 5, and under root 128 can be written as under root 2 into 2 into 2 5 times multiplied by 5 into 5. So, this is equal to, in the under root 32 can be written as 4 root 2. Similarly, root 200 can be written as 10 root 2, and root 128 can be written as 8 root 2. Now, in all the three numbers, you have irrational factor common. What is that irrational factor? That is under root 2. So, we can take that irrational factor common, and inside the bracket we will get 4 plus 10 plus 8, which is equal to 22 root 2. So, the whole expression can be reduced to 22 root 2. This is how we add two or more surds. Let us see the subtraction or the difference of the surds. Example is 45 root 6 minus 3 root 216. Again, 45 root 6 will be written as it is, and under root 216 can be written as 6 into 6 into 6. And since it is under root 6 into 6 into 6, you can take 1 6 outside and you will be left with 6 root 6. So, instead of writing 216 under root, we will write 6 root 6, and by writing 6 root 6, 3 is outside. So, 3 will be multiplied by 6 and you will get 18 root 6. Now, in both the surds, you have under root 6 common, which is the irrational factor. So, we will take that irrational factor outside the bracket, and inside we will get 45 minus 18 root 6, which is equal to 27 root 6. So, this is how we add or subtract surds. Let us see multiplication and division in surds. Surds can be multiplied or divided if they are of the same order. For example, we have under root 3 and under root 2. Both are square root, therefore, they can be multiplied and they can be divided also. Fifth root of 16 and fifth root of 32, both have fifth root, therefore, they can be multiplied and divided. Similarly, nth root of x and nth root of y, they can also be multiplied and divided because both have same order, and that is n. Let us multiply and see one example. 2 under root 50 multiplied by root 32 multiplied by 2 root 72. 2 under root 50 can be written as root 25 into 2. Root 32 can be written as root 16 into 2, and 2 root 72 can be written as 2 root 36 multiplied by 2. 2 root 25 into 2, the square root of 25 is 5. So, we can take 5 outside and we can write it as 2 into 5 into root 2. Root 16 into 2 can be written as 4 root 2, because 4 is the square root of 16, and root 36 into 2 can be written as 6 root 2, because 6 is the square root of 36. Now, in all the three surds, we find that the irrational factor is common, that is under root 2. We take under root 2 outside, and inside the bracket we are left with 10 into 4 into 12. When we multiply 10 into 4, 40, 40 multiplied by 12, we get 480. Therefore, this is equal to 480 root 2. Let us see one example on division also. Divide 2 under root 24 by cube root of 320. Now here we have two surds. In root 24, the order of the surd is 2, and in cube root of 320, the order of the surd is 3. So before we divide these two numbers, we will have to change their order. 2 root 24 can be written as 2 6 root of 24 cube. Now observe what we have done in this example. We have multiplied the order of the surd 2 by 3, and at the same time we have multiplied the order of the radicand by 3. The power of 24 was 1, and now we have multiplied the power of 24 by 3. Likewise, we had cube root of 320. The cube root of 320 has been changed to 6 root of 320 square. The order of the surd was 3, 3 is multiplied by 2, and at the same time the index of the radicand is also multiplied by 2. Therefore, it is reduced to 6 cube root of 320 square. Now both the numbers have same order, that is 6. So applying the formula that nth root of a divided by nth root of b gives you nth root of a by b, we can solve it 2 into 6 root of 24 into 24 into 24 3 times divided by 320 into 320 2 times. Further, 24 can be written as 8 into 3, and 320 can be written as 8 into 8 into 5. So simplifying it, we get 6 root of 27 by 200. So we see that how we multiply and divide two surds. Let us see the comparison of surds. Now observe one thing here, that whenever you compare two or more surds, or you write the given surds in ascending or descending order, reduce the given surds to the surds of the same order. We can compare them, we can write them in ascending or descending order.